Dear friends, welcome to Bhakti Mallika channel. Today, let us learn about the very powerful Yantrodharak Hanuman Stotram. This is the powerful hymn dedicated to Lord Hanuman. It was composed by Sri Guru Vyasarajaru, the royal guru of the Vijayanagara dynasty, who is also believed to be the previous incarnation of Sri Raghavendra Swamiji of Mantralayam. The tradition holds that this stotra was composed when Sri Vyasaraja Swami wished to install a Hanuman Yantra on a hillock in Hampi, Karnataka. It is said that by chanting this simple stotra 3 times a day for a period of 3 weeks, one can have their wishes fulfilled or their difficulties resolved. Sri Vyasaraja Swamiji bound the Lord Hanuman inside the yantra. The Lord Hanuman is in sitting position inside the yantra to bless the devotees. We'll chant this mantra. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namami Dutam Ramasya Sukhadam Cha Suradrumam Peenavruta Mahabahum Sarvashatru Nivaranam Nanaratna Samayuktam Kundaladi Virajitam Sarvadabhishtadataram Satam Vaidridavahave Vasinam Chakratirtasya Dakshinastya Girosada Tungambodhi Tarangasya Vatena Parishobhite Nana Deshe Gate Sadbhi Sevyamano Nrupottamai Dhupadipadi Naivedye Panchakadescha Shaktitaha Bhajami Shri Hanumantam Hemakanti Samaprabham Vyasatirtha Yatindranam Pujitam Pranidanata Trivaramya Paten Nityam Stotram Bhaktya Dvijottama Vanchitam Labate Bhishtam Shanmasabhyantare Khalu Putrarthi Lavate Putram Yashorthi Lavate Yasha Vidyarthi Lavate Vidyam Dhanarthi Lavate Dhanam Sarvata Mastu Sandeho Hari Sakshi Jagatpati Yakarotetru Sandeham Sayati Narakam Dhruvam Iti Sri Vyasaraja Kruta Yantrodhara Stotram Sampurnam.